How to fix domain or DNS error in Shopify. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Shopify on your device and sign in to your account. Now, once you're already on Shopify, go ahead and head over to the settings by clicking on the settings button, which you'll find at the bottom left of your screen. And here, go ahead and look for domain in the left sidebar of your screen. Click on domains and you'll be able to find all of your available domain for your account in this area. Now, as you can see in here, I only have one domain. Now, if your domain or DNS is encountering an error and there seems to be no problem when you check it under the domain section, what you can do with this is to wait for your DNS to get updated. As you can see in here, typically DNS propagation takes 24 to 48 hours, although in some cases it can take up to 72 hours. In some instances, network issues or other technical problems may cause DNS propagation delays. Now, if this isn't your case, what you can do is to just go ahead and open that specific domain and you'll be able to check the specific error that your domain is encountering. And that's how you can simply fix domain or DNS error in Shopify.